If he's not buying you flowers, then what is he doing? So you're supposed to step on the scale and show your true weight of what is carrying you down on a daily basis. Where have I been? Outside. Okay, so we're about to try again. I'll put on my mask on.
Who knew Haitian food was so delicious?
In Jamaican household, if you don't know, if you're not a Jamaican, every Saturday they cook soup. I hate soup. Interests are superficial. You expect too much for too little. If you're not getting flowers, then what are you doing? Anyways, we're going to play mini golf. Oh my god. That's good.
It's contact for sure.
Cause what back style are you? The cherry smoothie from Zara. No, that is a dope ass bag. Ooh, ooh. It's bag for like $30. Yeah. I guess it will go so well with the romper that I bought from them. I got roses today, and they're beautiful.